Welcome to the channel, guys. We have a HP board for repair today, and it's i7 7th generation. This is the board. Everything looks intact. It's from a dealer and it's urgent repair. Okay, the problem is laptop is not turning on, and we find no corrosion, no water damage, nothing. Everything looks intact. So where is the problem? So as you know, this board is from a dealer. He says that there is a problem with the DC jack, and yes, it is. If you check it out, this DC jack, the pins are joined together. Let me show you on the microscope where you can find how the problem is. Okay, and then we will remove this and we will replace with the new one. This video is about removing the DC jack and replacing it. So stay tuned till the end. So guys, let's remove this first. We already have one DC jack. So first we will remove the DC jack from the main board. We have to apply some flux and then lead, because this is lead free. We need to apply lead. So let's apply some lead over here. Okay, the lead has been applied. Now let's give a hot air. We have to keep it on the edge so that we can take it out easily, and we have to apply the hot air. Okay, so it has been removed. Now let's clean it up. Okay, so it is clean now. So as you can see, the holes are okay. It is clear. The back side also is clear. So now let's put it. So here I have one which is working. Now we are going to put this one. Since I don't have a metal piece to hold it properly, I am just using some opener so that it will fix properly. So first thing, I'll apply flux and I'll try to solder it, and then I'll apply the heat. Okay, so it is done. Heat is not required. I think it is done. We'll check once again. Yeah, I think it is done. Now let's clean it up and check it out. If we see from the other side, it's look pretty much okay. Now let's clean it and check once. So guys, you can see here it has taken, and you can see the light also is glowing backside. It is due to RAM and all is not present, and the processor also is heating. So guys, it is done. So this is how we fix laptop at Sigma Computers. If you found this video informative, please give a like to the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.